I challenged myself to make $1,000 using AI. No special skills, no big budget, just AI and a laptop. First, I explored AI tools. I quickly realized they could create content, ideas, and even help people solve problems. I needed a simple way to earn money. So I decided to offer AI-powered content services online. I used AI to create sample content. It was fast, simple, and looked professional. Next, I posted my service online and waited for my first client. Then it happened. My first order arrived. It wasn't much, but it proved the idea worked. I used AI to work faster and complete projects for multiple clients.
Look at these numbers! We are finally hitting our goals!
Every completed
This is
project
exactly
added
what we
more
needed.
income.
Let's
The
keep this
numbers
momentum
started
going into
growing.
Q4.
After consistent effort, I finally reached my goal, $1,000. AI didn't magically make me rich. It helped me work smarter.
It's easier than you think. Trust me, you've got this.
The real secret was taking action.